Welcome you to Exploring My Computer channel. This video about explanation of computer basics and hardware parts. Computer is an high-speed electronic computing and data processing machine which takes inputs, processes it, and produces the output accordingly. It also stores information in memory. A computer has input, processing, and output parts. Computer understands machine language that can't be understandable by human. Computer recognizes values in the forms of zeros or ones. Accuracy, repetitive task, and tirelessness work. These are the main characteristics of a computer system. Computer hardware is the physical components of a computer system. 4 categories of computer hardware are 1. Input devices for data input, 2. Output devices to transmit data and information, 3. Processing equipment to process data instructions into information, 4. Storage devices to store data and information. Input devices are used to feed information to the computer. Example: keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, etc. Keyboard is used to type letters and numerical information. Computer keyboard contains typing keys, function keys, control keys, numeric keypad, operator, and special character keys. Typing keys, alphabet keys, and number keys. Control keys, these are cursor and screen control keys. Example: arrow keys. Page up, page down, control, alternate, escape, home, end, insert, and delete keys. Special purpose keys, enter key, backspace, num lock, caps lock, shift, space bar, tab, scroll lock, sleep, and print screen keys. Operator and special character keys. "12 function keys used for specific purposes. Numeric keypad, these are quick and easy reference keys. Example: numbers, arrow keys, operator keys, etc. The mouse is a popular pointing, selection, and cursor control device. The computer can be directed by pressing buttons on the mouse. Microphone is used to record sound, then stores it digitally. It is mostly used in multimedia tasks. Webcam is a video camera designed to record or stream to a computer or computer network. They are used in online video conference, live streaming, social media, and security purposes. Fingerprint scanner is a most common biometric input device. It is used to input a person's fingerprint into a computer database. A joystick is a pointing device. It is used to move the cursor position on the screen. It is used in computer games. Light pen is a pen-like pointing device used to select menu items or draw images on the screen. Scanner works like a photocopy or Xerox machine. It transfers the information available on paper into digital format and stores it in the computer memory. Barcode reader is used for reading barcoded data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling items, numbering the books, etc. Optical mark reader is an optical scanner which is used to recognize the type of marks made by a pen or pencil. It is used to check answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. Output devices outputs the information through a monitor or printer or speaker, etc. Monitor is a computer output device. It comes in different sizes and resolutions. It displays the message or result. Printing equipment helps to print text or images on paper. Impact printers, it works by direct contact of an ink ribbon with paper. Non-impact printer, it uses laser, xerographic, electrostatic, chemical and inkjet technologies. Speaker, it helps in listening to digital sound on the computer. Headset, it is a combination of speaker and microphone. It is mostly used by gamers, video conferences, online meetings, etc. Projector device projects a computer-generated image onto a whiteboard or wall. It is widely used for presentations or watching videos. Central Processing Unit, CPU, it directs the actions of input control and output devices. It is a rectangular box. It is also called as system unit. A microprocessor is a chip that controls all the functions of a computer system. It is installed in the motherboard. It works like an artificial brain. All mathematical and logical operations are done by it. Motherboard is the most essential part of the computer system. It connects all the parts of the computer together. PS2 port is used to connect a PS2 mouse or PS2 keyboard to the computer motherboard. USB port can be used to connect mouse, keyboard, scanner, camera, printer, USB storage, etc. to the computer motherboard. VGA port is used to connect the monitor to the video port. High-definition multimedia interface port is used to transmit high-quality audio and video. HDMI technology is used with devices such as projectors, HDTV, DVD players or Blu-ray players. Mic in allows to connect a microphone. Line in allows to connect a stereo system. Line out allows to connect speakers, headphones. Network or Ethernet port. The computer can be connected to the network by plugging an Ethernet cable into this port. Memory and storage devices are used to store the information and to use the information in future. Two types of memory units. 1. Primary memory. 2. Secondary memory. Example, RAM, ROM, hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, pen drive, etc. Random access memory. RAM is a primary memory that stores data temporarily. Any open programs or files on a computer are temporarily stored in RAM whilst being used. Being volatile, any data stored in RAM will be lost when power is lost. Read-only memory. ROM is a primary memory which is located on PC's motherboard. It stores information that cannot be changed. It contains the programming needed to start a PC, which is essential for boot up. Hard disk or solid-state drives. These are non-volatile secondary storage devices. It stores large amounts of information in it. These are used in desktop PCs, laptops, servers, CCTV and satellite recorders, etc. Floppy disk stores small amounts of data. Pen drive. It is a small, light and easy to use device which is used to store and exchange large amounts of data. CD, DVD, Blu-ray discs. These are optical storage discs. Binary data is stored as changes to the texture of the disk surface. It stores the data permanently. Optical disk drive reads and writes data on optical disks through laser beaming technology. Common optical drives: CD, DVD, Blu-ray drives. SMPS is an electronic component. It provides DC output power to the motherboard and other components of the computer system. SMPS takes AC mains input and outputs DC 3.3 volt to 12 volt. A typical computer back panel is shown here. It helps us to connect different peripherals to the computer system. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it. Please subscribe this channel. Click on bell icon to get notification of new videos on computer and solutions. Thank you for watching this video.